me, actually me. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Jen. If you've been a subscriber for a little while, hey guys, what's going on? I feel like you guys are seeing finally, like, where have you been? There isn't much to catch up on really. My life hasn't changed dramatically, but I just took a break from YouTube. My computer crashed in December of 2020 and I was just so demotivated from like posting videos and stuff, but I'm trying. This weekend should be a good weekend, and I decided to vlog. I was supposed to be vlogging today. Today's actually Friday, so happy Friday guys. Today is Friday. I was supposed to vlog, did not happen. I ran a few errands, picked up a package, I bought a slippers, like all of that. I was supposed to vlog all of that and that didn't happen. So now I am here and I will like carry you guys along. I have a wedding this weekend and a photo shoot. So, and I have a wedding with a special guest. Ooh, so I'm sure from that the thumbnail you guys can see, or probably the title. So if you're interested in seeing what my weekend is like, then continue watching. And yes, still subscribe, comment, and like all the jazz, all the works. You know what to do. So thank you guys for also staying tuned. For those who, I don't think I lost any subscribers, so that is very good. Thank you guys for staying true and staying subscribed. I'm happy about that. I just want to grow my channel and kind of figure out what kind of content I want to put on this page. At one point I was thinking to revamp my channel, or change my name, or delete my videos. Like I was going through and then thinking to make this big comeback, or I don't know. I had a lot of things in my mind, but I just say, why not just start? Why not just put out something, right? And then I'll go from there. So that's exactly what I am doing. So stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let's just see what this weekend is all about.
A few moments later.
Yeah. My special guest. Ooh, makeup by. Ooh. Say man come around now. I don't know. You never give me none. Technical difficulties.
Oh, it dropped. It never dropped. It never. It seemed take it up and it never come out.
I asked you if it drop in a Sharz.
No, but I did look. There was no card. It never come out. See, that's where it stopped. But I don't know how it would have dropped. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I know it stops. I don't know how it would have dropped.
So Shari under YouTube music. Cause
Non-copyright.
and I'm not naked, by the way. I have on clothes. So.
Why would we have naked girl?
No, I'm just saying. Cause in the camera it look like I'm not on nothing.
When I walk up with my jerk now with naked woman not care for.
We don't know. Human
Yes.
trafficking.
Right.
So guys, we're going to country. We call it Goody Bop weekend. No, we're actually going to work.
Going to work.
JHEN. Hey, y'all get upset. Them sick of me. I beg God now make you get rid of me. I know everybody get my energy. Me love my own company. Them too bad mind. For yo, you not like me, I me deep even know yo. Full of bad spirit like the pig grow yo. Me I go strive and show yo. All these say I contest. When me do good that get them press. Can't mind them own damn business. So them take sense. But me best. If I know me I got alone can't stop this. Girl stop watch me you too obsessed. If you get them at
This is like a drive the way I go and leave. Don't stop here.
It's so nice. Nice. I like this. I like this outbox. Remember, this would be a nice spot to do that little dance. Jesus Christ, guys. Finally to be into a finally. Jesus. Everybody tight.
Entire stay while you're here with us.
Okay.
Any food allergy? Oh, except the tomato.
Tomato, no. And pineapple.
Pineapple, alright. This is comfortable enough?
Yes, it is.
Alright.
I can record it, please. This is Shanagay.
So we have breakfast at 7 a.m. in the mornings, which is served downstairs at the buffet.
Okay.
Lunch is from 12 until 3, downstairs at the buffet, or the jerk out on the beach up until 5. So for dinner tonight,
Remember those things.
It's like recital, like how you remember how to put on primer before foundation.
I don't have time to remember those.
Guys, this hotel is so far, too far. But we made it. We made it. Sharz is a good driver. Yes. Skirt. Sharry, you look like a friend. So we're settled in the room, basically. I don't know how much I vlogged. Sorry. I don't know how much I vlogged. I know I showed you guys us reaching and stuff. We're in the room. If you want to see a room tour, you can check out Sharz's channel. I don't think I'll be doing a room tour because, you know. But we're just waiting for Sharz to get ready so we can get dinner. And maybe just like walk around the hotel. We're not really here for vacation. We're on like a work flex. But still, we can have like a fun. So stay tuned for that.
Yay! My hair looks great. And it's clean.
The one corner clean, the one. Yes, so dinner is until what time, Shari? Dinner is 7 to 10, so we'll be eating, and it's night time, so we can't really show you the hotel. We're at Grand Palladium. If you missed that part of the vlog, we're at Grand Palladium, and we have a wedding tomorrow. It's supposed to start at 6. We're doing 12 people, so the wedding starts at 12. Yes. So I'll get little clips of that and show you guys a weekend in my life. as a makeup artist, I guess. I don't know what I'm going to title this, but that's it for now. Oh, Sharz is nearly walking out the pool. Oh my gosh. Where's Sharia? You there? May I put that in the video now? Jesus. What you say? Yo, I am Shari.
When you put it
Jesus.
can we have the
That's what yeah.
And
I'm going to AC. Ready?
How much of them? How much of them? 2? Oh yeah, 2. And
Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. I don't know if you can see my accoutrements and the stairs that we have to go down. Like this place don't have an elevator. Like, what is this life? But not too bad. Not too bad. Look, Mama, we made it. There's Shari. So we're here. I don't have to go all the way to here. So, fun. So guys, we just got done with 12 ladies, 12 or 11, trying to get back to the room to check out. And you saw the pictures. Can't really get to film the process and stuff because it was kind of hectic. Weddings usually are, but I made sure to take pictures, so you guys should have seen that. We have all our bag and pans. So we're going to get our stuff in the room and check out, have lunch, breakfast, because we haven't eaten since morning. and then head back to Kingston on a no movement day. So that should be interesting. Today was fun. It's always fun working with Shari. So there's that. So when I'm getting lunch, I'll be sure to show you guys, because I didn't show you guys dinner last night. So Shari on a business call. Can't even get her. So this is lunch, guys. Pasta and curry goat. We are leaving now after some rest and a long sleep by Shari. So we're heading back home now. So see you guys on the road. Is this grease a ball that I call a face? Oh my gosh. So guys, I'm full out of Shari. Imagine no movement day, big no movement day, right? We're already up on the road. Zine, tell me why this girl don't have no gas in her car. And she's going to blame me. She's going to blame me, right? But like I'm trying to show you guys. Shari. Boy. But we're at the gas station. So thank God. Sorry, with the roots of me asked me if I know how to work the gas tank. Yes, I have pumped gas before. So that's our current journey.
Prayer and quarter tank.
What do you mean?
I'm saying that's what we were going to be driving home on.
Oh.